Success! Success! Please get me water. Thank you.
Daddy, wait.
What again?
Daddy, who invented the first motor tire?
Is it because I want to wash tire? That's why you're asking me who invented the first motor tire? Success. I don't have your strength. You, who invented the first motor tire?
Just good day.
Okay, thank you, yeah. Hello? Okay, don't worry. I'll soon be there. Don't worry, yeah? Very soon I'll be there. God bless you. Thank you.
Daddy, wait.
What again? What is your problem? You have done noble. God bless you.
Daddy, wait. Daddy, who invented the first telephone?
Okay. I want to wash tire. You asked me who invented tire. I made call. You are asking me who invented the first telephone. You, who invented the first telephone?
Graham Bell.
Graham Bell. Okay. Thank you, my daughter. God bless you, yeah?
Daddy, wait.
What is it? Who invented the aeroplane? You have left ground. You are now up. You, who invented the aeroplane?
The Wright brothers.
The Wright brothers. Thank you, yeah? I think equal now.
Daddy, define Nigeria.
I should define Nigeria for you. Me should define Nigeria. You define Nigeria.
Nigeria can be defined as a corrupt grant.
Imagine, look at you. Look at you, Success. This amount would put you into a problem. Your country can be defined as a corrupt ground. Your own country can be defined as a corrupt ground. Success, I'm beginning to suspect you. I think I will soon change your name. Because if I don't change your name, you will put me into problem. I don't want to enter into prison. That cell and prison is you that will enter. It is not me. So
Daddy, wait.
What again?
Daddy, who discover America?
You're asking me who discovered America? Okay. It's me. It's my grandfather that discovered America. You, who discovered America?
Christopher Columbus.
Christopher Columbus. God bless you, yeah? Thank you. Now, let me ask you my own. Let me ask you my own. Success. Success, who invented the sun and the moon?
Daddy, the sun was not invented but was made by God.
Okay, it wasn't invented nor discovered, but was made by God, eh? Okay, I think... Okay, let me ask you another one. Who amalgamated the Northern and Southern Protectorate?
Sir Frederick Lord Lugard.
Okay. When did Sir Frederick Lord Lugard amalgamated the Northern and Southern Protectorate?
In 1914.
In 1914. Very good. Like daughter, like father, yeah? No problem. We have gotten our question and answer equally now. I think you can now go. Can you now leave me?
No.
What again?
Dad, did you know COVID-19?
COVID-19. How will I know COVID-19? You, what is COVID-19?
COVID-19 is a global pandemic. It started since 2019 and has killed millions of people.
It has killed millions of people. And you are still here. Why didn't you die? Why didn't it kill you? See, it has killed millions of people and you are still here. Why didn't it kill you?
Because I know the rules from A to Z.
You know the rules from A to Z. Now tell me the rules.
COVID-19 letter B.
Beware of fake news. COVID-19 letter C. Clean your hands. COVID-19 letter D. Don't go out. COVID-19 letter E. Empty the streets. COVID-19 letter F. Feed the pets. COVID-19 letter G. Gardening is bad. COVID-19 letter H. Hand sanitizer. COVID-19 letter I. Inside the home. COVID-19 letter J. Don't fight corona. COVID-19 letter K. Kind to needy. COVID-19 letter L. Learn a new skill. COVID-19 letter M. Meditate daily. COVID-19 letter N. No handshaking. COVID-19 letter O. Offer help to others. COVID-19 letter P. Practice your passion. COVID-19 letter Q. Quarantine yourself. COVID-19 letter R. Regular exercises. COVID-19 letter S. Social distance. COVID-19 letter T. Traveling is bad. COVID-19 letter U. Use your face mask. COVID-19 letter B. Visit your doctor. COVID-19 letter W. Weaponize immune. COVID-19 letter S. Extra precaution. COVID-19 letter Y. No expiration. COVID-19 letter Z. Zero face touching.
Very good. Good children. God bless you. Good. Thank you. Good children. You have tried. But the only thing I will tell you is that you should use your brain to full capacity. Let me tell you one thing. Greatness is born out of the choice you make in life. Life can be cruel at times, but heroes don't count on failures. Are you all hearing me?
Yes, Dad.
Do not hope against hope. Don't let another person make use of your brain. Use your brain to full capacity. COVID-19 letter E.
Empty the streets.
Beautiful. As soon as you leave this place, none of you should go out. Did you hear me?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. COVID-19 letter B.
Beware of fake news.
Nobody should come and tell you anything apart from what I've just said. Did you all hear me?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay. COVID-19 letter U.
Use your face mask.
When you get to the house, wear your face mask. Did you all hear me?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, you can now go. God bless you.
We are hungry.
What is it?
We are hungry.
You are hungry.
Yes.
You are hungry as you are.
Yes.
You have just eaten.
That's small.
It's not food.
Yes.
Okay, it's tin.
Yes.
Or it's canteen you ate.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. You are hungry.
Yes.
Just now you ate. Okay. Is your mom at home?
No.
Where is she?
She went to the market.
Oh, she has gone to the market.
Yes.
Okay. But tell your maid to give you food.
She went to school.
She has gone to school.
Yes.
And you are at home.
Yes.
Or to disturb me. No problem. You want to eat?
Yes.
You want to eat as you are?
Yes.
Okay. Go and meet your mom in the market. Ask her if I'm in the market. Yeah?
Yes.
Be fast too.
Okay.
You also want to eat?
Yes.
You want to eat?
Yes.
Okay. Go to the street. You will see one man standing. Yeah? Call him and say he should come. You hear me? Okay. You want to eat? Oh, my good son. You know I love you so much. You want to eat? You are hungry. Look at your face. If I slap this face now, they will say I'm evil. Wait. Go and disconnect your landlord's light, yeah? Be fast, though. You are hungry. You are hungry.
Yes.
You are hungry.
Yes.
Come. You say you are hungry.
Yes.
Go there, you will see football. Take it to the field. When you get to the field, I will be there with you, yeah? Play 5 penalty. Let me see how many I will catch and how many will score. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Did you hear me?
Yes.
Go. You want to eat? You want to eat? Okay. Go to the street. You will see one man with trouser. Are you hearing me? The man wore trouser. Be fast. Call him for me. What is your problem?
Hungry.
Hungry means what? Okay, come. You want to eat. You just finished eating. You want to eat, eh? Okay, go and call that man for me. Go now and call him for me. Are you hearing me? You. What did I say you should go and do?
He said let me go and check that radio repair.
Go and check the radio repair. Be fast. Go quick. You should go to the market. Go to the market right now. Go. Be fast.
I'm hungry.
You are hungry. What did I say you should go and do?
He said I should go to the market.
You should go to the market.
Yeah.
Be fast. Go fast. Be fast. You, I don't know what to send you. Your mouth is too much. I don't know the one I will send. They will go and you go and implicate me, including you. I don't know because I will soon go out. I don't want any person to disturb me along the road. Hey. How will I be in the market? How will I be here and be in the market? Am I God? I will be here and be in the market. I sent you to go and check me in the market. You still went and checked me in the market. Now look at me. Come get out from here.
That where's the money?
Money for what?
To go to the market.
What did I say you should go and buy? Which market did I send you to? I don't say you should go to the market. You now went to the market. So you had wanted to steal and bring to the... come, excuse me. You should get out from here. Send you to the market.
Where is the plier?
The plier and the ladder. Are you a NEPA official? If you are okay, let's assume you succeeded in disconnecting the landlord's light. Will the landlord allow you to stay in this compound?
No.
Then why did you go? Excuse me, get out from here.
There's people that are supposed to play the ball.
Play which ball? I told you to stay there. I will be there. You play 5 penalty. You score. Let me see how many you will score. Let me see how many I will catch. How many did you score? How many did you play? You did not play. Say the people are not there. You expected me to be there, and you are here. You could not wait for people to come so that you play ball. You have come back to come and disturb me. I better get out from here. Idiot.
But you do not see the man.
Which man did I send you to go and call?
call?
Okay. You should have called everybody in the neighborhood that wore trouser. You should have called everybody in the neighborhood that wore trouser. Since it's only one man that used to wear trousers, I said you should go and call somebody that wear trousers, and you went. You could not even ask me the name of the man. Let me get out from here.
Daddy, which direction?
Which of the direction? Which direction? What did I tell you to go and do?
You said let me go and check the man that's repair radio.
Okay, it's only one man that used to repair radio here. You couldn't ask me for the street. You couldn't ask me for the man's name. You just went because you are hungry. I will get out from here.
Daddy, which place?
Okay, I sent you to go to the market and you went because you're a crazy woman. Just go to the market, you went. You could not ask me for money. You could not ask me where you are going to. You could not ask me what you will buy. You just went to the market and now you are asking me which part of the market. Excuse me, get out from here.
Daddy, where is the money for
The thing. Did I ask you to buy anything? Okay, I asked you to go and buy something for me and you still went. What did you want to go and buy? What did you expect in your mind? Now, what did your mind tell you that I want to buy or I want you to buy for me? Just say go and buy something for me. You still went and buy something. What now? What did you bring? Nothing. You are now asking me. I did not give you money. I did not tell you where to go. Is this in the supermarket or market I say you should go and buy something? You just went. Excuse me, get out from here. Success!
Yes, Daddy.
Success!
Yes, Daddy.
Go and give them food. Yeah? Go and give them food. I'm going to work. I don't know that. Oh, no. Which food? So because of your food, I shouldn't enter house.
Yes.
I've sent. What is it? Didn't I give you food? Success. Didn't you give them food? Okay, I will finish giving you food. Also shouted fire.
So you take the food.
I collected the food because I want to eat. Me that is just coming back from work.
That is the money you gave to Success. Maybe spirit.
Okay, the spirit now bought food and the spirit now ate the food.
Yes.
But you saw the food. The spirit that bought the food could not eat the food. You saw the food. What happened? Food did what?
We are hungry.
Hungry means what? Come, let me tell you something. I've been telling you to use your brain to full capacity. Use your brain to full capacity. Don't let another person make use of your brain.
Leave that one.
You have to leave that one. I always tell you that greatness is born out of the choice.
Leave that
Don't worry. Wait. Success. Come here. Wait, they are bringing food for you. Since your own aim and objective in life is just about food, sit down. No problem.
Daddy, don't do what we do.